To make a ringtone, press under ringtone and media, press make ringtone, choose the music file you want. It can be any file as long as it's under 40 seconds as a high. Now you want to trim it however you like. So say for calls you want a 4-second. That's really loud. So say for a call you want a 40-second one. You can go ahead and save and import. But if you want it for a message or like a probably a message or like a text message, you can do this one. You can shorten it even more and choose where you want the starting and end point to be, and then just save and import, and then it will work. And then you can select one of these two when you're trying to you just go into settings, sounds, ringtone, and then it should show up in the ringtones. So you can do that for a text tone or for a ringtone.